Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro, the #1 choice for eliminating odors. How many vehicle sales have you lost on your pre-owned lot because of odors? Do your salesmen not show certain vehicles because of odors? Now there's an inexpensive, fast, and simple solution to gaining consistency throughout your pre-owned sales lot. The solution is Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro. The sense of smell is the strongest sense of the human body. Why lose a sale because of an unpleasant odor in a pre-owned vehicle? In about 2 minutes' time, a vehicle's interior and AC system can be treated with Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro to permanently eliminate any organic odors which might be found offensive to your customers. All pre-owned vehicles have their own unique smells from their previous owner. Using Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro in our application tool, the air conditioning system, seats, seat belts, headliner, floorboards, and trunk can be treated to eliminate those unwanted odors. The Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro application should be the last step in detail after the carpets have been shampooed. This will prevent that musty mildew odor from the wet carpets. Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro is faster and more effective than car bombs, foggers, or using ozone machines to eliminate odors. The application tool forces Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro past the surface of the fabrics and carpets where the odors reside. Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro comes in 2 fragrances, New Car and Leather. Get consistency throughout your pre-owned inventory. And remember, the exterior gets their attention. The interior seals the deal. Give Technician's Choice Rid Odor Pro a try today and see the difference.